Okay, hello friends. So today in this video we discuss about Java socket programming. So socket we well know about things. कि socket is combination of two things: IP address and programming. So in this video we discuss about some theory and practical also. Okay, how to use socket for design as a simple application, chat application. Okay, so just wait, student. Just okay. So what is the socket? So is a in simple terminology you can say combination of IP address and port number is a socket. Like that 172.16 and 8080, these are the port numbers here. These basically two types of socket use: stream socket and datagram socket. So two ways, okay. So socket pair, if you correct the socket pair, so how many things are using? Client IP, client port number, server IP address, and server port number. So these are required for the application. So these are the client server application. So first of all, client send to request to server accept the requests, and you can manage the all things. How to manage their SPTT, STTP, SMTP using these things. So in this diagram, if you check there, these are the socket how to work as an internet. Yeah, LAN, if you apply this. So if you check there, these two sockets are there. So one thing, actually, basically, when you connect two things, means two machines you are connected. So one socket is basically two parts are there. One is the process, is a control by the developer, you develop. Second is a control by the operating system. Second part, same things are means collects is you can say in another terminology, you can very simple way how to design is one simple application using the socket. So these are the server client phenomena. So IP address, all things. So just is a theory, go with a practical, so easy to handle. So just wait. So I observed there, if you checked, there one folder is there. In this folder, we have two files are there. Is network folder. One is the server and second is the client. So first of all, I checked about the client. In this client file, how many things are required and what things are required. So first I explain line by line so you easy understand. First thing, observe that use import java.net is a package, very important package for you. Import java.io is also important second. So first is class name. You write a class name, my class server. Public status, bad throw exception is the basic code. Second part is socket, server socket and SS new socket. This line is define the socket. You create the socket. So simple server socket, SS new server socket. After the accept socket SS accept, then after data input stream, data output stream, buffer reader, there are three types of method used for data reading, display the data, and capture the data. If you check there, so how to maintain these all things? Line of third is saying string, both string are blank. These are first of all string one and string two. Str1 by is the server, str by the client. So how to maintain these things? Just one. We can apply the stop button. If you write the stop, str read video files, client state. If you display the message by the client, display, read line by S2 and display using the plus all things. Then after you close, and last is SS close and double SS close. Both things are close. Socket and all things. So this is the one way. Second file, if you check, is a client. Okay, so in this file, basically all things are same, only socket this line of change only. This is required the IP address. Basically in the previous code is not required. If you check the both code, so you observe that both code is same, only some line of code change. Basic both code are. So this is the client code, you can check, read write operation same as a previously used. So I hope you understand the coding and both. Then after actual execution part we will start. So go with folder. This folder we require two command prompt. Number one, okay. Second, just wait, CMD. So basically you observe that we have a two command prompts. Yes. So we use one for client and one for user. So first of all, set the path. If you not set, these are very basic things. Generally, we use set path. So just check it. This video help to you how to find the C file path. You go with C. You file in this my folder. We use Java and Java this and bin. And copy the address and yes. So paste the address. So your machine is set. So how to check machine set or not? Yes, read the Java. If you check the all things are, your Java is okay. Second is same, set path equal to Java, you can check. So in this, if you observe that we have two files out there. Okay, one is a client, one is a server. So first of all, we assume that first file is so Java C, my server, compile the file. If you no mistake, then after you run Java my server. Okay, done. Second thing part is just client part, Java C, my client. Okay, then after we run my client. Okay, so both machines are ready. First message hi. So you observe that. Then after this line, hello. So chat application done. So this this is the very simple way one Chimes server. Okay, thank you.